up, guys? It's Minix back with another video, and today I'm here with my grandma.
Hi everyone, happy Halloween!
And today we're going to be making some easy snacks that you have at your Halloween parties.
We're going to be having fruit kebabs, apple nachos, Dracula dentures, mummy dogs, and ghost dip. Let's get started. Okay, if you see the guy in the window, he's not real, but Connor tried to scare me with him last night, and I wasn't even scared.
I see something moving. Is it outside or inside?
Okay, we're going to start out with the kebabs. We have strawberries, 2 different kinds of grapes, and pineapple, and marshmallows. So first I'm going to take some almond bark that I melted and put some eyes on the marshmallow and a nose. Or you could use a food coloring marker. So I'm going to get the marshmallows done first, so the chocolate can cool down. Okay, now we're going to stab them. We'll do. Do we have to? We need a formula, I think.
Strawberry, pineapple, grape, marshmallow.
Okay. We'll lay them down. I think what I'm going to do now is, oops, my chocolate's too hard. I got to put it back in the microwave. I'm going to just like drizzle it on with my melted almond bark. Just going to kind of drizzle some on the fruit and the marshmallow. The faces are still there. We just turned them around. Don't get worried. Okay, here's the finished product. Okay, next is the apple nachos. So I've got apple slices soaking in salt water. That'll keep them from turning dark. And then we've got Twix, Heath Bar, and pretzels that we're going to sprinkle on in a little bit. We've got caramels. This is Kraft caramels, 1 bag with 2 tablespoons of water, and we melted them in the microwave. Then we've got our white chocolate and our chocolate. So, and then I'm going to drain the apples. Ooh, he scared me. Okay, so then we will put these on our plate. And okay, next we're going to do the caramel drizzle. This makes a lot more, but we're just going to do a small plate just to show you. This is a great dessert that everyone loves. So we've got the caramel on. Next, we're going to do the white chocolate. And just kind of drizzle it on. So we're looking good. And we'll do the chocolate. And then we'll just do a handful of the pretzels, Heath Bars, Twix. I think that's it. We'll do a little bit more. Okay. Then they're ready to eat. Okay, next are the vampire dentures. So first you want to start out with, you got to have baked chocolate chip cookies. You can buy them, buy the dough and make them, or make them homemade. So I made these from scratch. Here I go bragging again. So I'm getting them all cut in half. We're going to put it's a white frosting, and we put red food coloring in it. So we're going to do that next. It says, or we're supposed to spread it on both sides of the cookies. And then we're going to take mini marshmallows for the teeth. Put them in like that. And then we got slivered almonds for the fangs. Then I'm going to put the cookie together. And then I'll put the fangs in. Then you just keep doing this till your cookies are gone. There's the finished project.
Product.
Oh, product. That thing fell. We're on to our next project. We're going to do mummy dogs. So we'll separate the dough. We've got crescent rolls here that I'm going to cut them into strips, and we're going to wrap them around the hot dog and make a mummy out of it. We're going to bake them on 375. So we'll preheat the oven while we're getting them wrapped up. I'm going to spray this pan so they don't stick. And then I'm going to cut these into strips. And 8 strips out of one hot dog. No, one crescent roll. Maybe. Okay, and then you just take the hot dog and start wrapping it. I'm going to leave like a little space for the face. A little. Oh, this was the top. I got this one mixed up. Okay. We're ready to put them in the oven. I'm going to bake them. I'm going to test them after about 12 minutes. 375. Okay, it's been 12 minutes and they are done. Okay, so the first practice one out of the bottle didn't turn out so good. So I'm going to put some in a bowl and see if I can put it on like with a toothpick. These are the eyes. You could use mustard too. Okay, we're ready to make the ghost dip. That'll be our last one. We're doing our final Halloween treat dessert. So you want to preheat the oven to 450, and then you're going to use 2 cups of chocolate chips. It's a 12-ounce bag. A 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream, and then marshmallow ghost, and then we're going to use regular marshmallows because we ate our other ghost. Whipping cream needs to be warm, so I'm going to put it in the microwave for 60 seconds. Go ahead and dump the chocolate chips in a 9-inch pie plate. So you pour this over the chocolate chips. Just line up the ghost. And ghost would go here, but this will work just fine. So we're gonna go ahead and put it in the oven for 10 minutes, you think? Let's try 10. Okay. Took exactly 10 minutes. Now we gotta put our eyes on the marshmallows with mini chocolate chips. So I'm gonna take it over here and so we're gonna put some eyes. Oops, shoot. So we're breaking these into rectangles. Put them around our tray. Here's the finished product. We're gonna try them and okay, let's taste them.
Okay guys, we're back and we have 5 different Halloween snacks, and these were pretty easy. It's taken us a while to make them, but just because we had to record everything. But if you just want to make these for parties, it won't take long at all.
You want to try it first?
You can. This is really good to have at parties.
Yeah.
Especially if you need something last minute or whatever.
That would be so easy.
Not real easy to dip it. No, it is.
That is very good. Very easy.
Mm-hmm. All right, everyone. Thank you for watching. That was it for our Halloween snacks, and it went well. Everything tastes good. And so if you guys make these, make sure you send us pictures and tell us how that worked for you, because we'd like to know. If you want some of the same pans and pots and pans that my grandma uses to make her recipes, just click the link at the top of the description and you can buy some. Also, make sure in the description you check the links there to our social medias and some other cooking videos we've done, and make sure you subscribe to the channel so we know that you're watching. So we'll see you guys later. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Bye.
Bye.